Now foods, let there be peace, and quiet, relaxing essential oils kit, 4 bottles, 1/3 of a fluid ounce, 10 milliliters, each. Product overview description. Take me home and smell me. Contents not under pressure. Everyone needs a little peace. Caution, may cause stress to slip away. After a full day of work, errands, social engagements, kids, or whatever fills up your day, it's not always easy to wind down. If only it could be as easy as flipping a switch. Actually, it's almost that easy with soothing and relaxing aromatherapy oils from Now Solutions. With just a few drops of the calming aromas found in Let There Be Peace and Quiet, you can promote peace and tranquility whenever and wherever they're needed most. Eucalyptus oil. 100% pure. Eucalyptus globulus. Lavender oil. 100% pure. Lavandula officinalis, SPP. Peaceful Sleep Oil Blend. Sleep Blend. Peppermint oil. 100% pure. Mentha piperia. Suggested use. Eucalyptus oil. For aromatherapy use. For all other uses, carefully dilute with a carrier oil such as jojoba, grapeseed, olive, or almond oil prior to use. Please consult an essential oil book or other professional reference source for suggested dilution ratios. Lavender oil. For aromatherapy use. For all other uses, carefully dilute with a carrier oil such as jojoba, grapeseed, olive, or almond oil prior to use. Please consult an essential oil book or other professional reference source for suggested dilution ratios. Peaceful Sleep Oil Blend. For aromatherapy use. Create aromas by adding 30 drops to 1 ounce of water in a spray bottle. Great for unwinding before a nap or for a good night's sleep. Peppermint oil. For aromatherapy use. For all other uses, carefully dilute with a carrier oil such as jojoba, grapeseed, olive, or almond oil prior to use. Please consult an essential oil book or other professional reference source for suggested dilution ratios. Other ingredients. Eucalyptus oil. 100% pure eucalyptus oil. Lavender oil. 100% pure lavender oil. Peaceful Sleep Oil Blend. Orange oil, tangerine oil, lavender oil, chamomile oil, ylang ylang oil, sandalwood oil. Peppermint oil. 100% pure peppermint oil. Warnings. Caution, keep out of reach of children. Avoid contact with eyes. If pregnant or lactating, consult your healthcare practitioner before using. Not for internal use. Disclaimer. While IHERB strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by IHERB.